ka-friendship, today's video ay magluluto tayo ng chicken alaki. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 300 grams na chicken, marinated na siya. Ilagay ko lang sa description box ang sangkap na ginamit ko sa pag-marinate ng chicken. Okay, so meron tayo ditong 2 pieces na carrots. Hiniwa ko na siya sa maliliit. 1 cup whole kernel corn. Meron tayong 1 cup na grated cheese. Meron tayo ditong spring onion. 6 cloves garlic. 1 piece onion. 2 pieces calamansi. 1 tablespoon na butter. Meron tayo ditong knorr chicken cube. Itlog. Meron tayong all-purpose cream, cooking oil, gagamit tayo ng flour, breadcrumbs, paprika, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay, ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. What we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is maglagay tayo ng paprika sa ating marinated na chicken. Ayan. And then after that, maglalagay tayo ng flour. So, ayan. And then, idagdag na rin natin yung ating itlog. Oops. And then, haluin natin ito ka-friendship. Make sure na malinis yung kamay natin sa paghalo ng ating chicken at saka yung ating itlog at saka harina. So, ayan. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ng at least 1 to 2 hours. So, ayan, balikan natin siya later. So, next ka-friendship, sa isang preheated pan, maglagay tayo ng cooking oil. Generous amount of cooking oil ka-friendship. Ayan. After that, i-dredge natin yung ating marinated chicken sa breadcrumbs. Then, ipiprito natin siya ka-friendship. So, ayan na po. Maglagay na po tayo ng ating coated na chicken. So, piprituhin lang natin siya ka-friendship hanggang maging golden brown or hanggang sa maluto yung ating chicken. And huwag kalimutan na i-turn siya, baliktarin siya from time to time. So, ayan, balikan natin siya later ka-friendship. Ka-friendship, meron na tayong naluto. So, what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa cooking oil and then ilagay natin sa isang strainer to remove the excess oil. Ayan. So, ganyan din ang gagawin natin sa mga natira pa nating chicken ka-friendship. Ipiprito lang natin. So, ayan ka-friendship, balikan natin siya later. Ayan ka-friendship, naprito na natin yung ating chicken. So, what we're going to do next is gagawa tayo ng kanyang sauce. Isang preheated pan, ilalagay natin yung ating butter. I-melt lang natin siya ka-friendship. And then after that, dagdag natin yung ating whole kernel corn. Ayan. Mix lang natin. So, ayan, hanguin na lang muna natin yung ating whole kernel corn ka-friend chef, and then set aside na lang muna natin siya. Magdagdag ulit tayo ng butter. Ayan. And then after that, isusutay natin yung ating garlic. Then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating sibuyas. And then, ang ating carrots. So, isi-simmer lang natin siya ka-friend chef ng at least 5 minutes or hanggang sa maluto yung ating carrots. So, balikan natin siya later. Friend chef, pwede tayong magdagdag ng kunting whole kernel corn. Ayan. Simmer lang natin siya ng at least 1 to 2 minutes. Pwede na natin idagdag ang ating all-purpose cream. So, ayan. Kunting kulo lang ka-friend chef. And then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating cheese. Ang ating knorr chicken cube. Ng kanyang alat ka friend chef kung okay na. So ayan, okay na siya ka friend chef. What we're going to do next is pag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our chicken a la king sauce. And then, dagdag na rin tayo ng konting spring onion. Kalahati na muna. So, ayan na siya ka-friend chef. Ready for serving na yung ating chicken a la king. Friend chef, ang ating finished product, ang ating chicken a la king. So, what we're going to do next is lagyan natin siya ng sauce. So, ayan na siya ka-friend chef. And then after that, i-garnish natin ng spring onion. And by the way, ka-friend chef, best serve pala ang chicken a la king with steamed rice. So, ayan na siya ka-friend chef. Friend chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating chicken a la king for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutumira at your service. Always remember to stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us. Bye-bye!